guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You tuned in again to Doxology Creations. My name is Natalie. Today I'll be coming at you to give you a fall look. Fall is one of my favorite seasons. We do not experience fall per se in Florida. It's pretty much the same summer, you know, 90 degrees out the door. But for many of you who do not know, I used to live in New York, so we actually had the 4 seasons in New York, and fall was one of my favorites, to see the colors on the colors of the leaves change and to see them fall off. It actually just kind of reminded me that even as people, we have to go through a shedding process, a time of rejuvenation, a time of refreshing, so that we can get ourselves prepared for another season. So that's what fall really reminds me of, you know. But yeah, so I'll be giving you guys a fall look today. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are aware of when I do post new content. And if you are a returning subscriber, big up yourself. Thank you so much for joining me. It's always a pleasure, guys, always a pleasure. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day just to watch me, you know, watch me do this thing, watch me slay this face. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it. See you in the next part. I did say I was going in for a fall look, so I will begin today with my Morphe Boss palette, and I'll be starting with this color here, and this color is called Play Cool. I'm gonna use that as a transition color. Now, in order to apply that transition, I'll be using my taper blending brush from Sigma. That's a Sigma E35 brush. I'm just going above the crease area. I'm going in with this color here, this orange color here, and it's called Fired Up. And I'm going to put that literally on top of this color. So I'm going above the crease as well. So I'll be going in with my Morphe A9 palette. I'm going in with this dark brown right here. And I'll be taking my E25 Sigma blending brush, blending these 2 colors together just to make sure there's no harshness. Okay, to darken that up a little bit, going in with the color, this brownish color right here. It's called Talk Dirty. I'm using that same Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that in. Go ahead and blend those colors out. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'll be taking one of my paint brushes that I got from Walmart in order to do so. And to cut the crease, I will be using my P. Louise Eye Base Rumor number 2. Okay, so I'm going back in with my orange color, Fire Up. Put that orange right beside that dark brown. This looks good. I like she. She look nice. She look real nice. Anyways, for the actual lid, I'll be putting the color Myself from the Morphe 9A palette. To apply this, I'll be using my E55 Sigma blending brush to just pat that onto my lid. And for liner, I'm going in with my tattoo liner from Kat Von D in the color Trooper Black. Okay, come on through, sweet. Next, I will be prepping my lashes for falsies with the Benefits Roller Lash. And today I'll be using the I Envy 3D Kiss Collection lash in the style 125. I will not be putting on the falsies on camera. If you want to know, or if you're a beginner, you want to know how to put on lashes, you can check out my last video, how to put on falsies, and it is also beginner friendly. Step by step, that video is going to be in the description box. Guys, I went ahead and I added my lashes. I'm going to be priming today with No Poreblem by Prime Essence, and I went ahead and I color corrected underneath my eyes. And for foundation today, I'll be going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic, and it's going to be in the shade Kampala. I like to spread this foundation all over my face and then go in with the brush or the beauty blender. To blend it out, I'm going in with my Flat Kabuki F80 brush. I'm going in circles, circular patting motion. You don't want to draw on the foundation. You don't want streaks to be in that, on your face I should say. Okay, and to just blend out everything, I like to go in with a beauty blender after the fact. So I'm just going in with my beauty blender. It's my damp beauty blender, it's slightly damp. Okay, so for contour, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. To blend that out, I'm going in with my Luxie Small Contouring Brush, and it's in the style 512. I got my glasses on, forgive me there. And for highlights, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, just to cancel out the orange underneath my eye. Which is there from color correcting. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics 129 brush to do that. Okay, I'm going in now, or going over that I should say, with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, shade number 12, which is more so of a warmer tone. I'm gonna allow that to dry down a little bit. I'm gonna start blending my chin and my forehead area first. And for setting powder, I'm going in with my Mercier translucent powder, and this is in the original color. Press that in. And to set my contour, I'll be using the Mercier translucent powder in medium deep to set my contour. And I love to set my contour with my beauty blender, so I'm going to use the back of the beauty blender in order to do so. And because I'm going for a chisel look today, I'm going to take some of that, the clear translucent powder or the regular shade, and contour underneath the contour, or highlight underneath the contour, I should say. To dust away any remaining powder, I'm using my BH Cosmetics 125 brush to do so. Come on, face, you're looking flawless. And yeah, I'm here for it. Alright, to chisel up the look a little bit more, going in with my Black Radiance Thru complexion contour palette. And I love to use the contour and the skull color in order to achieve my desired contour, because if me use the contour color alone, it's too dark. It's just too dark for me. So I just mix them both and dust off the excess. And for blush, I'm going in with Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm going in with the color Candela, this color at the end here. I like it. Hey girl. Oh gosh. Alright, so for highlight, guys, I'm going in with two colors here. Two Juvia Place loose highlighter. I'm going to mix Nubia and Royalty 2. Actually, I'm not going to mix them. I'm gonna put on Nubia first. Okay, so on top of that, I'm going to go in with the Royalty 2 shade. Just pat that on the top. Highlight my cupid bow. I'm gonna put a little bit of that highlight in the inner corner of my eye. I'm using the Royalty 2, just a little bit. I'll be using the MAC Cold Power eye pencil in the shade, or in the color Feline. And I'm gonna smudge that out, smudge that color out, or smudge out the eyeliner, I should say, with Bruise from the Morphe 9A palette. And to do that, I'll be using the short shader brush from Sigma E20. Alright. So for lip liner, guys, I'll be going in with the Nabi Cosmetics Black Brown lip liner pencil. And for lippy, I'm going in with my MAC Matte Diva lipstick. This looks so good. Oh, girl. Okay, and that same color Brew, I'm going to go ahead and just lightly tap it onto my lip. don't want this winey color. I want a deeper brown, and I don't have any lipstick that's that brown, so when I do this it mattifies it as well even the more. I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much for tuning in with me again, guys. Until next time, God bless. See you.